Hey guys, what's up? It's Saturday. I'm in the office again. I listed a few items on eBay and did some research on other items. We saw during the night one thing on my second store, just a video game for like $11, nothing too much. On Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, we sold 13 items and we have 3 more pending. And on our main store on eBay, we sold 7 items. So it was a pretty good Friday night. Hopefully sale will still keep coming in. So I'm gonna go and today what I'm gonna do is pack a few items, and I'm gonna go and list a few more items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. I already listed some on eBay, and also I'm gonna go and take some pictures for some new items that I'm gonna list during the week on eBay. So that's my schedule for today. Okay, so this is what we sold so far on eBay, and we actually got another order while I was picking them. So let's start with that. A $15 Batman book, which is upside down. Greatest Batman stories ever told. We got this from one of the auction houses, paid less than $1. Royal Dalton, which is a good brand to look for in figurines and stuff like that. $17 plus 7 shipping for this little guy. Also, auction house, we got this one and a girl for I think $10. Mini table saw cutting board, 67 and 20 shipping. It's this little guy. We got this from we bought a lot of returns pallet, so we got this from there. We paid $2,400 for I think 4 pallets delivered. So this is part of it. We also sold another 2 Polaroids land film cassettes, I think. 2 of those we sold out for $47, and 2 more paints. I don't know why we sell those a lot lately. People probably just at home, doing arts and crafts like that. A Gobel, which is already half packed. I listed yesterday, 25 and 9 shipping. And a vintage basically headphones, which are those. I don't know what somebody wants to buy a vintage headphones, but okay. And a railroad DVD collection in good condition. There are writings on the DVDs. 18 DVDs. This is cool if you collect, if you're into trains, and a lot of people are, so this is nice. So I'm gonna also we sold that game on the second store, so I'm gonna pack those, and I'm gonna probably take some of my Amazon Merchant Fulfilled items soon, which is this shelf, and yesterday I listed a few more CDs and a couple DVDs. So those are the CDs, and just one pile of DVDs. So I'm gonna go and pack and see how the day goes. Okay guys, so it's all packed now. 9 items to go, and on Amazon we got a couple more orders. 15 total to go. there's one thing that I told you in the morning. We searched Keepa deals. We found something that it was a deal for $10, and the item never sold less than 40. So we bought a few of them, and we sold our first one for 35, merchant fulfilled. So we bought it for 10, sold it for 35 within a day of listing it. So, and we have like 15 items to go, 15 units to go. So I think we're gonna net $15, 15 or more even, from each item, which is always good. Another thing to make money on. So always look for deals on Keepa and try to find stuff online. If you see some good deals, just grab them. We sold another item. It's a board game, $35. We got this at an estate sale for $3 or $4, if I'm not mistaken, a couple months ago. So this one goes out also. So I scanned through more CDs. I listed like 40 CDs and about 100 DVDs. Everything is right here. Nothing too crazy, just wanted to, pump the numbers up. Merchant fulfilled items. Still haven't packed anything from Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, but we got a few more orders. Just tidy up a little bit. So this one is almost empty. Almost, just the bottom two. So those are new DVDs, and those are used. So that's why they're moving slower. Even though I haven't picked anything yet, so it might sold. I mean, some might sold. Also, I have those CDs that I listed yesterday, and more DVDs. Just this one. Just a few, like 40. So now I'm gonna list a few stuff on eBay. Take some pictures, and I'm probably gonna tackle this big pile of the apartment 56. I have some actual buildings and some accessories like I don't know how you call it exactly. Those are just randomly called accessories. Just some accessories, people and random accessories. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and take pictures of those, so I'll have something to list during the weekend and also probably next week. So I'm gonna do that. So I just wanted to show how I take pictures of the white colors. As you can see, it looks really good here. I put the black board we have, foam board we have. The white colors will not disappear in the picture. They will actually, all the figurines will pop up. As you can see in this is what I'm gonna put as the main picture. It looks really good. I don't know if you can see pretty well, but the brightness is about 60 and the ISO is 200. That's how we take our pictures on the black background. On the white, the brightness will be too much. 60 is too much. We usually do 120 or 90. So this is how I take pictures. And what I'm gonna do is I have a bunch of the figurines here. I'm gonna bulk picture everything. I have here a few figurines, and I have here, and I'm gonna bulk picture everything, and that way I can list everything pretty fast, because I have all the pictures ready, and I'm gonna show you how I do it once I'll get to my computer. Okay, so I took pictures of about 10 different items, and now I'm gonna go to I have an Android. I'm gonna go to Google Photos, and it will synchronize with my account. And now I'm gonna go on my computer, and I'm gonna show you how we list really fast. So once all the pictures are uploaded to Google Photos, you just select all, press on Shift and select the last one, then download everything. After everything is downloaded, all you gotta do is to go to your eBay, go to your, specifically for this one, this is Department 56, so we have a specific draft for Department 56. So what I'm going to do is create a few drafts. Let's say I took pictures of 10 items. I'm going to create 10 different drafts. So here, as you can see, if I click the list, I have a Department 56, so I'm going to go start a listing with this listing. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to go all the way to the end and click on Save as Draft. Once it's done, I'm going to create a few more copies, let's say 12. Once the pages are all loaded, you just click on Add Photos. I use keyboard shortcuts to make it really fast, so I go to all my photos and I'm going to choose the last one, which is still right here. I usually take the same main picture so I won't get confused between different items. So I chose this, I click on Open, then I use a keyboard shortcut, Control Tab, which takes me to the next tab, and I go and add another picture, another set of pictures, not just one. I click on the last picture, and the first, click on Shift, the first picture, Open, Control Tab, next one, Add Photos, go all the way down. So that's how we create a lot of listings, and now all you have to do is pretty much bulk research everything and list them. You can list a few good listings a day like that. On our best day, we do this only me and my wife, so on our best day we listed about 50 different items. We try to keep it around 300 to 400 listings a month. It depends on the situation. Right now, obviously no sourcing. My wife is at home with the kids, so it's only me. So right now I'm gonna just list as many as I can a day, and hopefully I'll get some more inventory coming in the future. So that's how we bulk list a lot of items. We do things in batches. We take pictures of everything, we upload everything, and then we research and list everything. So I packed 19 orders that I have on Amazon, merchant fulfilled. So it's going pretty well. 19% is, 19 items. 19 items. It's pretty good. It's almost 10% from what I listed at the first time. I think I have overall about 300 to 400 items. I'm not so sure on Amazon merchant fulfilled, but it's going pretty well. 15 to 20 orders a day. I mean that's good. I was gonna wait with everything, so whenever you get money, that's always good. No waiting. So now I'm gonna head home and be with the family. I think it's time. It's like 4:30. Tomorrow just another day, same thing probably. So that's it. So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.